Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. This is your curbside deal for the week of April the 12th to the 18th. We're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. Yesterday's video is all in-store deals with register rewards and all that magic. I did have one deal with some Nexus, and I think for the first 2 hours of the video, it was actually working, but now you can no longer add the 2-ounce Nexuses to a basket with the 9 off 2 attaching. So let you know that deal is done. So I do have an alternative deal I will share with you here in a quick second. Let's touch very quickly on the Easter clearance over at Walgreens. According to the app, it's 75% off for the app. I couldn't even add anything to a cart. It was just not allowing it. Probably there's not a lot of stuff in stock. That's why. In store, it might be 80%. So you're physically going to have to go to your store to see what it's ringing up for. And just to show you, all these prices are in fact 75% off, which is weird. It's usually like 70 or 80. And if you're a Walmart shopper, they went to 90 for their Easter merchandise as of this morning, which is Monday, April the 13th. Get right into the deals with deal number 1. For this one, you're going to need this friend, 7 back when you spend 30 on beauty and personal care. So the first personal care item we're going to grab is the Japanese nail clippers. We have a $2 Walgreens coupon and a $2 manufacturer. So it basically makes this item completely for free. And yes, it is part of the spend 30 to earn back 7. So a nice little freebie just for you. And then we're also going to throw in 3 of these baby lips for $17.47 on a buy one, get one 50% off. And we have a 10 off a 3 digital coupon, so make sure you have that one loaded. I think it's an only for you, so hopefully you have the same one as I, but if you do a lot of my deals, you probably have it. Now we're also going to toss into the basket 2 of the Dove body washes, and we have an 8 off a 2 digital coupon, and the promotion is when you buy 2 of these, you're getting back a $3 register reward. Now, if your Fetch app might have 3,000 points when you buy 2, you're also going to get that, so you're going to have to ask the cashier to process this through a regular register so you get a physical receipt. And just to show you guys, the Japanese $1.99, 8 off a 2 for the Dove, or 10 off 3 for the Maybelline, and the other 2 for the Japanese, and then $1.55 with WAG 10 melting off for you right there. So the overall total for this basket is $37.46. $3.54 melting off, $20 in digital coupons, a little bit of tax. So you're going to pay $15.96 with your debit card. As the promotion is to spend 30 to earn back 7, you're getting 7 back for the promotion and an additional 3 for the Dove body wash. Now, if you have that rebate of buy 2 to get 3,000 points with Fetch, you're also going to photograph your receipt for another $3 back. So not a bad little deal, this one. Okay, so for deal number 2, we're going to be grabbing some medication, and we have a 7 back when you spend 30 on health and wellness. What is health and wellness? Well, we're going to show you what health and wellness is here in a second. There's this really handy dandy first aid kit. It's 75 items for $10.99, and yes, it is the Walgreens brand, but they don't skimp on stuff because it's filled completely. So I always like to have one of these in the car or, just around. I think it's always a safe thing, and most couponers are also preppers, so I think you might see the value there. And we're also going to toss in a buy one, get one free on the Walgreens hair, nails, and skin, and it's in natural lemon, peach, and pineapple. That sounds absolutely glorious. So 2 of those for $11.99. And then the final item I'm grabbing for my basket is some Excedrin, the 100 count for $15.99. And we have a $3 digital. I would definitely try to get a receipt as well, because sometimes Excedrin, there's rebates that pop up on Ibotta. I don't see one right now, but in case there might be one later, it might be a great thing to pick up. Right, so WAG 10 taking $3.60 off, and then the Excedrin coupon $3 off. The overall total is $38.97. $3.60 coming off with WAG 10, an additional $3. $33.85, getting $8 back. I know it's not the big bonanza of savings, but if you are in need of some of this stuff, I think you can see the value. Pay with your debit card for the balance. Do not use any Walgreens cash, as it's a spend booster that you're using. Spend 30 to earn back 7 on medical stuff. So hopefully that is crystal clear. But yeah, that's how sometimes you get turned around. When do I use Walgreens cash? Not for this deal. Okay, the next couple deals we're looking at are just deals that you can use Walgreens cash. The first is to grab 3 of these Dr. Pepper. Alternatively, if you are not a fan of this, there's the $1 off 3 coupon. I think 7-Up is also part of it. $14.99, subtracting that, it's $13.99 for 3. And in Michigan, we pay a recycling fee, so that's why my out-of-pocket is a lot more. And then just to round out this basket, we're going to toss in 2 of the Doritos that are 2 for $7, and I think this is even cheaper than Walmart at $3.50 a bag. Now, just to show you guys, the dollar coming off with the Dr. Pepper, Canada Dry, A&W, 7-Up, all those good products. WAG 10 would not attach because all of these items are on a sales promotion this week. The overall total is $25.59. Again, my total is a lot more because of bottle deposits. The $1 melting off. If you want to use $20 in Walgreens cash, go for it. Not a bad little deal for 3 12-packs of beverages and 2 bags of Doritos. That's it for today's video. For yesterday's in-store video, watch it linked right here. Have a great day, guys. Bye.